Hi guys, it's me, Leela the Pet Vet. So today I'm going to talk about how I pack up for Texas A&M Veterinary School open house.
Leela the Pet Vet, she's here to give you some animal facts, bringing you on animal adventures. So get ready for animal fun with Leela the Pet Vet.
So we're leaving early, like around 5 o'clock, and so I'm going to wear whatever pajamas I have, and I'm going to wear my scrubs. These are the clothes that you would normally see me wear during my videos. And so when we get close, I'm going to put these on, and so after it's done, I get to go to my great-grandma's 89th birthday. Isn't that cool? And so she's having a brunch, which is a breakfast and a lunch together. So this is the outfit I would wear to that brunch. And these are the shoes that will go with it. So this is all my personal stuff that I would wear. And on the way back, I would wear this because I would want to be like comfortable and stuff. So in this bag, you might notice, because this is where the gear is for my mom to film the video. So I have a head pillow in case for the road trip, because my head might get tired. So like I would unbutton it because it has a button to keep it on longer. So I unbutton it, then I would like put it around my neck. Then I would use the button and snap it back. If I can get it, okay, I'll just sleep it like this. So this is what I'm gonna like do when I'm sleepy on the road trip. And so we're gonna put them all into this giant suitcase I bought from Marshall's. So that's all the stuff we're gonna put in the suitcase. And so I'll wear this bonnet too to keep it nice. So that's everything. So me and my brother would normally bring 2 stuffed animals to keep us cozy and a tablet. So this is one of them, but I couldn't find my other one. So this stuffed animal, it's a dolphin I got from SeaWorld. Her name is Yo-Yo. And so I named it after a dolphin I met there at SeaWorld. And I have a stuffed unicorn. Her name is Uni. And so I can't find her yet, but I will. So that was everything we're gonna pack. So stay tuned, because there's more videos of my big trip for the weekend. So there's a lot of driving to do on this trip, but when we get home, if we're not too tired, we will go to the Justice Spring preview. So there will be a lot of fashion and videos and pictures. So stay tuned for that, and more videos are on the way so soon. So see you later. Hi guys, so we made it to Texas A&M. So stay tuned for more videos. But first, we're about to get ready for some small animal tours. There'll be lots of animals.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of animals. Yeah, so there's gonna be horses, and there's a dog breeds tent, and I heard there's a kissing booth where you can get a kiss from a dog, from a puppy. Yes.
They have tortoises and four. So the first tour we're going to do is the 12th man tour, but there's no pictures or videos allowed, so you won't get to see that. I'm sorry.
No, you can't ride in it while you ride.
It says waiting time 40 minutes. points from this one. I got a brochure. So when I have to go to college, I will have this to go to my extra classes to know what I need to do to become a vet. The wait time from this point is 20 minutes. Mommy, it's not.
Leela the pet vet.